The young man stands on the edge of his porch. The days were short and the father was gone. There was no one in the town and no one in the field. This dusty barren land had given all it could yield. Off my line at the age of 16, and I have no idea where else my heart could have been. I placed all my trust at the foot of this hill, and now I'm sure my heart will never be still. So collect your courage and collect your horse, and pray you'll never feel the same kind of remorse. Feel my heart and break my pride. I know where to stand, but now I know where to hide. Align my heart, my body, my mind to face what I've done and do my time. And now look in my face. Your twisted lips with your green disgrace. So one night has and another has not. How could you love what it is you have got? You took it all from the weak hands of the poor. Lies and things you know always in store. There will come a time I will look in your eye. You're greater than God, you always deny. And I'll go out back and I'll get mine. I'll say steal my heart and break my pride. Nowhere to stand now, nowhere to hide. Align my heart, my body, my mind. Face what I've done, take my time. Steal my heart and break my pride. Nowhere to stand, but now nowhere to hide. Align my heart, my body, my mind. To face what I've done and do my time. Yes, it was me. I know what I've done, 'cause I know what I've seen. I went out back and I got my gun. I said, you haven't met me, I am the only son.